How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where on Tuesdays I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Seabreeze. I am back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and you are in for a treat. We have a brand new model by the name of the Seabreeze. You've been hitting me up, calling, emailing, DMing me on Instagram saying, Mr. Tiny, we love your tiny homes all over the country. Matter of fact, all over the world. So what's the new floor plan you're bringing to the table? Because there's only so much you can do with 399 square feet, right? Wrong. Mr. Tiny's always got something up his sleeve, so today I'm showcasing the Seabreeze. So if you are currently in the market for a 399 square foot park model tiny home, 1 bedroom with a loft, hey, this may be the one for you. And we got little treats here and there to showcase why we are who we are here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And today the Seabreeze is an 11-foot wide home, 44 feet in length, and that's including the 10-foot front porch. And it's on sale today for $116K. $116K, you get everything you see besides furniture and decor. And starting here on the exterior, you'll see that we have a light gray lapped siding. We have a also dark gray board and bat accents that you would see in the intro of the video. That brings that pop, and also we have a Galvalume metal roof. So it's great features, great aesthetics, and even tying it in, we have composite gray Trex decking on the porch. Now, speaking of porch, follow me up onto this 10-foot front porch, and do not miss that open gable with just the beam. We did no crow's foot on this home. We kept it open and airy, and you'll see that we have 4 can lights. We have a wired embracing for a ceiling fan there for you. We've chosen to go with black metal rails on this home. So basically the exterior of the home is zero maintenance. You've got 30 years of warranty from your siding to your roof to your decking, because again, you're watching Mr. Tiny with Recreational Resort Cottages. Now, you're sitting here saying, before you run to the comments, Mr. Tiny, you crazy, charging $116K for a tiny home. Hey, I'm not crazy. I'm just crazy about you and what you need in your life. So follow me inside so I can show you how I make it right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. You follow me in and you'll see here, woo, we bring the aesthetics and the features that you are looking for here in the Seabreeze. What's so lovely about this home, as soon as you walk in, tall ceilings right here. We have the pine ceiling stain there for you, so that way you're getting the contrast from the sheetrock up to the wood ceiling. So that way we're keeping it kind of rustic, but also contemporary at the same time. We also have the brown ceiling fan centered. We have all your can lights. Also, we have 3 transom windows right here on the living room wall side. We also have 3 standard windows down below and 2 windows up front. What that does is create all this space and opportunity here for you to accommodate your couch, love seat, recliners, whatever you need. And directly across from that, you'll see here, we've got your built-in console down here, and that console includes a LED fireplace that puts off heat, ladies and gentlemen. And you can see right here behind that, this is where you would place your TV, and then up above that, we've thrown in an additional transom window to bring in that natural light as well. These sidewalls in this home are around 10 feet tall. So that right there lets you know it's open and airy as far as you can see. And right here, what I love about the open and airy concept is we have the wraparound counter here to your kitchen, but we've elongated this edge so that way you can accommodate stools for seating and, you know, eating your breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever you need. And as you come on back, you'll see here that we have the U-shaped kitchen. What's great about that is you have plenty of prep space. We have your sink centered with the window up above. We even have the black fixture here with the detachable sprayer, and then another transom up top. Look at these cabinets. These cabinets are large and in charge. These are 42-inch cabinets in this model. Also, you'll see that we have the brick style backsplash going from the countertop up to the bottom of the cabinets. That wraps around beautifully, and we have the stainless steel appliances as well. Smooth top. Right here we have the convection oven up top, and then you can see additional cabinetry here. And what I love about this is you have the pendant light here centered over the area, adding some aesthetic. And then, yes, we do have a loft in this model, and that's not the only thing we have in this. It is a treat, but you can see right there, all this space while still accommodating a loft. And what I love about it is centralized. You guys have been liking that lately, saying, Mr. Tiny, I love the centralized lofts. Well, I brought you another one. And as you look over here, we have your refrigerator built in right here. We even have the shelf here for additional storage up above, so that way it has its designated space. Beyond that, you will see the stackable washer and dryer ready to go for you. You can see we still kept it in the plastic because we know this ain't gonna last long. So we want you to have it brand new, fresh off the press when it arrives to your property. You can also see the accents here on this wall of the shiplap that we have going down the hallway. And another surprise, you thought the loft was it? No, you're watching Mr. Tiny with Recreational Resort Cottages. We have the bunks in the hallway for you. So not only do you have additional sleeping upstairs, you have additional sleeping downstairs. So whether you have a family that is looking to be accommodated in a 399 square foot tiny home, or hey, you're looking to invest. Investors, this sleeps a lot of heads in this model. So you've got space upstairs, you have space down below, and then of course we've got a traditional bedroom in the back. But this is great. We've got mattresses here ready to go. We've also finished this out with shiplap. You'll also see we have a farmhouse style light there, and even clear story windows up and down of the bunk. So that is great, and this is metal, ladies and gentlemen. So this ain't moving. The kids ain't messing this up. And as you follow me in, right across from there, because you know in the middle of the night, the kids, oh, I gotta use the bathroom. Well, guess what? We got the pocket door right here. You come right in, bathroom right here ready to go for you. Toilet elevated and elongated. Countertop there going over your toilet. We also have the linen above your toilet as well. We also, you'll see, we have the single slim window. That way you can look out onto the property. And then again, we have the fiberglass shower. This is great for a lot of clients that want the easy cleanup and want easy access into the shower. This does have a sliding glass door as well. We just haven't placed it up yet, just so that way you can see the overall size of this shower here as well. And I'll take it right in. And I told you guys, I'm 6'1" of fun, and you can see you've got plenty of space right here in the shower to accommodate. And still, I mean, unless you're up to 6'6", 6'7", this shower works just well in this model for you. And you follow me on back, and you will see as we make it past the bunks, we come back to the main bedroom. And as you come into this model, this is very special because as you see, even though we have a loft, it has the centralized feeling, so that way in the back you do not sacrifice any height in your bedroom. So that way if you're claustrophobic, Mr. Tiny's taking care of you because I've got it here, and I've also included the wood on the ceiling. We also have a ceiling fan centered in the bedroom for you, as well as a clear story window here off the rear and 2 farmhouse lights. This will easily accommodate a queen size bed in here if needed. And then we have the window here as well, bringing in additional natural light. What I love about this bedroom is we've chosen to go with a large barn door area. So as you can see, we've got the large space there for your TV. Usually we have the smaller version, but hey, people have been saying, Mr. Tiny, I got a bigger TV, I can't get rid of it. Hey, I need it to go in here. Well, I took care of you. We've got the 3 dresser drawers down below, shiplap accent there, the outlet there for your TV, and then this large barn door works right over here. And as you can see, you have your closet, you have your shelf and rod there, and additional space down below. This is a great model here to accommodate everything that you need and have the functionality that you're looking for. Also, you follow me back through because it's not done yet. You come back through here, and this is the Seabreeze. You follow me on through, and you'll see we'll take it up to the loft. Again, look at all this space you have in this model, but again, we have your stairs here to the side. And normally we have been doing the wood stairs, carpeted stairs. Again, this is a new feature. We've got the metal here for you, so it's easy to clean, easy to wipe off, and durable as well. And you can see it takes you straight up to the loft space where the metal railing continues. So you follow me up, and I'll showcase why the loft of the Seabreeze is a great addition to this model. Now we're in the loft of the Seabreeze, and as I told you earlier, this particular model offers additions that you have been looking for. This has additional sleeping area right here centralized in this model, as well as the bunk area. But what I love about the loft is this works great for small children. This works great for storage. Whatever you need it to be, this is an additional option. That way you can utilize the space where needed. Also, you can see that we have clear story windows on each side of the home. We have also included the pine, as I showed you earlier in the living room. We kept that going throughout the rear of the home as well. So this just offers an addition for you, and what I love is the loft being in the center. Again, it opens up the space, and speaking of opening up the space, go ahead and showcase how open this is. You can see in the Seabreeze, whoo, we making it easy breezy in here for you to live in 399 square feet. Again, this model is 11 feet wide. It's 44 feet long, including that 10-foot front porch, and it's on sale today for $116K. So if you enjoyed this Seabreeze, you know what to do. Hit that like button. Let me know you enjoyed this video. Let me know you enjoyed this new model that we're showcasing here, as well as run down to the comment section. Let me know what your favorite feature of the Seabreeze was. Was it the centralized loft, 10-foot front porch, bunks, the large barn door in the bedroom? You let me know so that way I can keep it coming. Also, if you're subscribed, like you should be, then you know I put these videos out each and every week. So that way you do not miss anything. So please subscribe if you have not already. And if you want to contact me directly about the Seabreeze or any other model that you've seen me showcase, you know what to do. Run over to my Instagram at @TheMrTiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Seabreeze as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, guys, I'm Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.